Ever wondered how to transform an outdated property into a high-value modern masterpiece? What if I told you there's a strategy that not only elevates your lifestyle, but also skyrockets your property's value right here in Melbourne? Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal how you can leverage a knockdown rebuild to unlock the hidden potential of your property and create the home of your dreams. Melbourne is a city where property is gold. But not all gold glitters at first glance. For many homeowners and investors, the true value lies beneath the surface. And that's where a knockdown rebuild comes in. This approach allows you to start fresh, designing a home that perfectly suits modern living while maximizing your property's potential. Imagine tearing down that old inefficient house and replacing it with a brand new energy efficient home, custom designed to fit your needs. Not only can this increase your living comfort, but it can also significantly boost your property's market value. But that's just the beginning. There are strategic ways to approach a knockdown rebuild that can yield even greater benefits. And we'll dive into those shortly. Let's break down the process. The first step is identifying the right property. Whether it's your current home that no longer meets your needs or an investment opportunity that you've spotted, the key is to choose a location that will maximize your return on investment. Next, we'll plan the demolition. This is your chance to start with a clean slate, removing any limitations imposed by the old structure. Then comes the exciting part, designing and building a home that not only meets but exceeds modern standards. But there's something crucial to consider. Not all knockdown rebuild solutions are created equal. To truly unlock the full potential of your property, you need a solution that combines quality, efficiency, and value. This is where ReadyBuild Single comes in, our knockdown rebuild service that is designed to provide the best value on the market, ensuring that every step is handled with expertise and precision, from the initial planning stages right through to completion. Now, why should you consider a knockdown rebuild over, say, a renovation? For one, you get complete control over the design. You're not limited by the existing structure, which means you can create a space that perfectly suits your lifestyle and modern expectations. Then there's energy efficiency. Building new allows you to incorporate the latest in sustainable technologies, which not only reduces your environmental impact, but can also save you significant money on energy bills over time. Financially, the benefits can be substantial. A new home in a desirable Melbourne suburb can command a significantly higher price than an older property, especially if the design and construction are top-notch. This makes a knockdown rebuild not just a personal upgrade, but a smart financial move. Let me share a quick story about a recent project we completed in Melbourne. We had a married couple come to us recently that wanted to replace their aging property with something modern and efficient. We guided them through every step, from demolition to design to the final build. The result, a stunning energy efficient home that increased the property's value by 30%. So they've made 30% on their overall investment, which is just outstanding. The one concern many people have is the cost and time involved in a knockdown rebuild. It's true, there's a significant project, but when done right, it's an investment that pays off in spades. With proper planning and the right team, you can manage costs effectively and ensure that the project stays on track. That's why having the right partner is so important. With ReadyBuild Single, you're not just getting a new home, you're getting a team of experts who are committed to delivering exceptional value. We take care of the details, so you don't have to worry about the surprises or delays. Plus, we're fully transparent with our pricing, so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. But how do you ensure that your knockdown rebuild project is a success? What steps can we take to maximize both aesthetic and the financial value of your new home? We'll explore these strategies in just a moment, so keep watching. To maximize the value of your knockdown rebuild, start by working with a team that understands the local Melbourne market. This means selecting draftsmen, builders, and designers who know the latest trends and can help you create a home that will stand out in the market. It's also about being smart with your design choices, incorporating features that appeal to today's buyers and ensuring your home is future-proofed with the latest in sustainable technology. ReadyBuild Single is designed to help you navigate these choices with ease. Our team includes elite professionals who will bring their expertise to every project, ensuring that your new home is not only beautiful and functional, but also a sound investment. We even stay ahead of industry trends, incorporating cutting-edge materials and designs to make sure your home is built for the future. As the Melbourne housing market evolves, so too does the trends in home design and construction. One emerging trend is the use of sustainable building materials that not only reduce environmental impact, but also increase your home's durability and efficiency. Another trend is the incorporation of smart home technology, which adds convenience and appeal for today's buyers. At ReadyBuild Single, we're always looking ahead, ensuring that the homes we build aren't just modern, they're future-proof. So are you ready to explore the possibilities of a knockdown rebuild here in Melbourne? Whether you're looking to create your dream home or make a savvy investment, this is your opportunity to turn potential into reality. Before we wrap up, let's quickly address some of the most common questions we hear from our clients. For example, how long does a knockdown rebuild typically take? Well, the timeline will vary depending on the complexity of the project. But with ReadyBuild Single, we aim to complete most projects within 12 to 15 months. Another question is, what financing options are available? We work with several financial institutions that offer competitive loan products specifically designed for knockdown rebuild projects. Do you want to learn more about ReadyBuild as your knockdown rebuild solution? Book your free consultation today and discover why we're the best value in the market, offering unmatched price, quality, value, and service. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of this essential advice. Until next time, happy developing.